In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert SVG to JPG. If you've ever worked with images, you might have come across these two formats. SVG files are vector images, meaning they can be scaled to any size without losing quality. On the other hand, JPG files are pixel-based, which means they are composed of a fixed number of pixels and might lose quality when resized. This process of converting vector images to pixel images is called rasterizing the file. Now let's dive into the easiest method for converting SVG to JPG. This is perfect for those quick conversions when you need a fast solution. We'll use an online converter which doesn't require any installation. This keeps things simple and efficient. First, go to a reliable online converter. Some popular options include Canva's SVG to JPG tool, Convertio image tool, or Xconvert. These platforms are user-friendly and cater to different needs. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a button to upload your SVG file. Click on it and select the file you wish to convert from your computer. This is important because it sets the stage for the conversion process. With your SVG file uploaded, the next step is to choose JPG as your desired output format. Most converters will have an easy-to-find drop-down menu or selection box for you to make this choice. Selecting JPG ensures that your final output will be in the pixel-based format you need. Once you've selected JPG, go ahead and click the Convert button. The converter will start processing your file. Depending on the size of your SVG file and the speed of your internet connection, this might take a few seconds. Don't worry if it takes a moment. This is normal and ensures your file is being correctly processed. After the conversion is complete, you'll be prompted to download your new JPG file. Click the download button and save the file to your computer. You should see a confirmation that your download is successful. This makes sure your changes are saved and you have the file ready for use. Using an online converter is quick and doesn't require installing any additional software. It's perfect for fast and simple conversions. However, keep in mind that you might have less control over the quality of the final image compared to other methods. This might not be a concern for everyone, but it's something to be aware of if you need high-quality output. Before we wrap up, here are a few important things to keep in mind. Remember that SVG files have infinite quality due to their vector nature. When you convert them to JPG, you'll be working with a fixed-size, pixel-based image. It's crucial to choose the right resolution or quality setting during conversion, especially if you plan to use the JPG file for printing or large displays. Also, note that transparent backgrounds in SVG files will turn into a white or solid color in JPG files. This is something to consider if transparency is crucial for your project. And there you have it. Converting SVG to JPG using an online converter is a straightforward process. It's fast, easy, and perfect for when you need results quickly. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial helps you with your image conversion needs.